There are different types of encryption. So there's symmetric encryption, which is the same key that's used for encryption and decryption. So this is faster, but definitely less secure if the key is shared. And it's used in Wi-Fi security file encryption. And then there's asymmetric encryption, which uses two keys, so a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. It's more secure, but it is slower. And this is used in secure websites, so HTTPS, and also digital signatures.
What happens if someone steals the private key in asymmetric encryption?
So in asymmetric encryption, the public key is completely public. Anybody can see it. It's sent over the internet. So anybody that's in between in what's called a man-in-the-middle attack can take a look at this key that's going past and can just copy it. The problem is there's a lot of mathematics that keep your data encrypted by using checksums, which is where somebody sends what the result of a load of calculations should be. And this is usually done through mod, which is a function that we learn. So mod is just remainder. And it's very difficult to find the remainder of something accurately without the private key. So the public key can just be shared and people can have this information. But if somebody shares the private key, then it becomes just as useless. If anybody gets hold of the private key in asymmetric encryption, it's completely useless.